Atandika obululu nga tutambula bulungi nga amateeka gagamba kampeni tuzikola ffenna. Omwami ono gwe mulaba wano Dr. Chris bali mu nsi ye n'asalawo ku mateeka gennyini ge yakola seeki ge yakola n'abeera ng'atambula yekka kampeni tuzikola ffenna etteeka we ligamba article ya 27 ya constitution yaffe ye n'abeera ng'atambula yekka ng'akola kampeni yekka. Ekitandibadde na kizibu ennyo oluusi twandigumikiriza ekintu ekibibo ekityo naye n'atuukayo ng'agula abantu abasasula ng'agula engege. Teyakoma ku ekyo bwetuuka ng'eyo ng'atoonoona amannya n'akukoogerako buli kyonna nekitayogerekeka wano ku TV. Abamu ng'agamba babbi gy'oli nti balina ebibi bye baali babbyeko, abalala ng'agamba ye tasobola kwesimba n'abantu batategerekeka ye mu kulaba kwe ng'alaba tekitegeera. N'ebyo byonna ne tubigumikiriza ne sigala mu kalulu tetwakirowoozeza nti kalulu ka famire kalulu ka munju nga tulowooza nti kajja kuba friendly naye ne tulaba nga ground teri level. Ku maradio oyo omwami gwe mulaba alina radio station naye nga tasobola kuwayo yadde sekendi emu oyogere eri emu otambula n'ebigere n'onoonya abantu n'obanyonyola oba wakava banoonya n'ogamba kankole house to house ng'asindika ba agent bagenda bagaba mitwalo 5 2 omutwalo. Jesi yali ajja sente ezo jesi nabakumanya naye nga naye tutanoonyerezaayo kwegamba nga ya bankrolling nga buli omu yatuusa ekiseera ekintu ekisingayo okusesa nga ba agent bange abasasula ku polling station n'abawa emitwalo 10 ne bamukwasa agency form yange n'ekifaananyi ng'ate etteeka lye yali yakola ne banne nga bagamba oba tolina form yawa agent ng'eriko original erimu ink.
And I truly believe that the tribunal will not find merit in whatever issues they were raising, because they were asked, so who have you won? And they kept quiet. They said, no, because you see, one of the issues they were raising, that the Electoral Commission of NRM allowed that candidates can either go joint campaigns, or you can write if you have reasons to be allowed to campaign alone. And I'm sure you as journalists, you witness that across the country, there are those who moved together and there are those who campaigned alone. It was allowed within the arrangement of NRM. So they are saying, why were people happy at my campaigns and dancing and happy? So should I now apologize for having a vibe at the campaign rally?
Petition, ebyokuba nti akalulu tekali kalungi kali mu okulwanagana kali mu kuyiba maybe n'obutabala bulungi bintu mbwine nga byona bakweta okwegemya enkereza nga omuntu we banasala kunkoko omutwe yasooka yapapala eri mukalumukano ningano aye oluvannyuma emala yayikayikana baba bamaze ogisala. So nenda kukoba sister wange oyo nti essaawa eno tumaze primaries aide anegaiteku tujje tunoonya akaluka NRM nga tunonekeza omani member of parliament nga Rukia nakadama isanga. By the way kino balina biro kibakobera nti nze nagwako akalulu aye bwe nagwa akalulu immediately from the tele center ate nga bakayibaka enkabo yine nga bakayibirawo mu byoma I just declared nakoma nti ndikulalinga behind this person abise tiate wanya balonzi kuba koba nti kabiri bana mukole muti kabiri jetu petitioning kabiri jetu wawabe ainga nali namani nga ne sente jjo kwa bandi nado ai nabo nanga kuba kutataganya balonzi na kutataganya pate. So ni bano ndikubeeta nti babaye bayinza kubanga tibagwanga baide banesi bebe mabega wange tunoni akaluka NRM tunoni akaluka president kida kutulaga okubanga tuli mature mu byobukulembeze tuda kubanga tuli mature mu byobufuzi buno obuliwo aye botusigala nga tukasika emiguwa kiraga nti to defend that petition how they were alleging that there was election rigging, there was violence, mainly that, and maybe some votes were not counted. But I just want to say that there is nothing much in what those allegations they had put before the tribunal. There was nothing much substantial. So we have informed them how the elections were free and fair, and of course we had to give some videos to show that the elections were very okay. Of course, if you talk about security is for everybody. It's not for one person. And on that note, I just want to say that in Lusoga, when you slaughter a chicken, this chicken starts, running here and there, but later it goes down. I just want to call upon my sister to come down, to talk to the voters, to tell them that they really lost, and let us come together as NRM, as a party, and we go into another race for the president, and she sits down, she rides behind me so that we can look for the vote for the woman member of parliament as Nakadama Rukia Isanga. There is nothing much that I will request her, and I will request all the supporters who have been with her that let them come and support Nakadama Rukia Isanga as the person who won the elections of the NRM primaries.
Any of my making, the accusations are actually on the process, which is not part of my responsibility. And the other accusation is that people did not give them votes. It's not my business. Those are the voters. So I could not decide who the voters want, but in this case they wanted me, and you cannot blame me for people voting me overwhelming it. So I was overwhelmingly elected by my constituents, and I'm quite sure the tribunal will see the truth we have given and uphold the victory. I hold now. I had two of my lawyers, Dr. Kampumaza and Mr. Henry, and we have done. So we wait for the ruling of the.
Because she had to attend to cabinet business, which incidentally, as a tradition, sits every Monday. And from the petition, we would see that the petitioner has no plan whatsoever to overturn a victory of 116,000. Yet she only got a dismal 5,000. Owing to that, we make a clarion call to the NRM party that regardless of the institutional approach of putting the tribunal in place to settle grievances of people, there is urgent need to give civic education to candidates so that they know which grounds they ought to have before they come here in order to save the tribunal from being turned into a theatre of sorts by people